Many creators make their videos on this topic. Then why Isaac is so successful? Why he got 79,000 subscribers and more than 2 million views with just 4 videos in period of less than 1 year? First I thought, that is game of luck, but after detailed study of Isaac's channel, I understood that Isaac has a formula consists on 4 steps, which he use in his videos, and the 4th step of that formula is most important to viral any video. Isaac couldn't grow without that 4th step of his formula. If you want to be successful like Isaac, then keep watching till end of video, because every part of this video has tons of value. Step 1. Eye-catching thumbnails. If you go to Isaac's channel, you will see he has used high contrast eye-catching thumbnail for his videos. Do you know why? Are these eye-catching thumbnails favorite of Isaac? Of course, yes. But the other most important reason behind this is simply to reduce decision time. In clear word, just understand that Isaac's audience has got addicted of thumbnails like this. That means you click the Isaac's thumbnail first time and you found a good quality video. After that, when next time YouTube will recommend you the video with same thumbnail, then your decision time will reduce and you will click on that thumbnail, and this cycles keep on repeating because you know this creator makes quality videos. Here the question is how we can adopt this advice for our own channel. Should we use the thumbnails of Isaac? Answer is not at all. Using the content of other YouTube creators, algorithm would understand that this is not your own content, and algorithm will decrease the impression of videos and your channel growth and views will decrease. Your audience will also understand that you are copying someone, they will leave your channel. Now, what you have to do is to maintain consistency in your thumbnails. For example, you have to decide a color scheme and a font which you will use in your all thumbnails. Color is not so important, but the font of your thumbnails will be crucial. In resulting, viewer will understand this is your video and their decision time will reduce to pick your video. Rather you don't have your thumbnails like Isaac, you can also apply this trick to grow your channel. For example, look, thumbnails of Mr. Beast, all the thumbnail are so consistent. That was all about thumbnails, but if people leave your video in start, then audience retention will be decreased, which brings me to step number 2, creating intros with need. If you are a good YouTuber, then it should be in your mind that wrapping viewers' attention in first 30 seconds of video is most important for your channel growth. Here most YouTuber use fancy intro, or say, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel," where Isaac used these 30 seconds like a mastermind. In short, with the help of his intros, Isaac creates a sense of need in his viewers' mind, and then he makes guaranteed that if viewers will watch his videos till the end, they can find their dream strategy to go viral. Okay, you hooked your audience in intro, but what about remaining video? Here begins out step number 3, building the hypertension. To clear this concept, we have to watch Isaac's video on 30 seconds. Let's see.
At the end of this video, you will have a viral strategy.
You noticed, Isaac said he will tell you at end of the video about that strategy, how to go viral and gain minimum 1 million views of your each video. Reason why to know about that magical trick, viewers must have to watch his video till the end. That's how Isaac makes sure viewers will watch his full videos. This trick called end reward or payoff, literally Isaac have used this trick in his all 4 videos. On the other hand, Isaac has good combination of animation, movement and rotation of video screen. His video editing style is awesome. In this time of competition, without skills there is very difficult to win the race. Finally, we come to step number 4. Without this trick, Isaac could never grow his channel. That is genuine and unique content. In the bustling world of YouTube tutorials, a unique voice of Isaac emerges, the faceless educator. Cloaked in mystery, he captivates viewers with their insightful yet anonymous approach to teaching all things YouTube. His expertise shines through captivating, visually engaging presentations, often accompanied by soothing voiceovers or text overlays. The lack of a face allows viewers to focus solely on the valuable information being shared, free from distractions and personality quirks. Isaac's channel delved deep into YouTube's algorithms, editing tricks, thumbnail optimization, and audience engagement strategies, empowering aspiring creators with the knowledge to navigate the platform's complex ecosystem. However, the true magic lies in the intrigue. The anonymity fuels curiosity, prompting viewers to invest more deeply in the content, eager to unravel the mind behind the wisdom. This unique approach disrupts the traditional teacher-student dynamic, fostering a sense of community built on shared learning and mutual respect, further solidifying the channel's impact on aspiring YouTubers seeking to make their mark on the platform. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe channel for more updates. See you in next video.